In today's episode, we are going to craft a bookmark with a custom design which is unique to you. For this video, I'll be showing all the steps involved in creating this bookmark. Welcome to the tutorial. First, let's start with designing the bookmark. To do that, I've opened a new transparent document in Inkscape. Now, create a 2x7 inch rectangle using the rectangle tool. Next, make a small square of any size. Next, change the color of the square. Next, select the square and left click on it. Now while holding Alt key, rotate it to 45 degrees. Next, adjust the square size to 2x2 inches. Next, move the square in such a way that this corner of the square connects with this point of the rectangle. Now select the entire design and go to Path and apply Union. Now import the image you want for your bookmark. Next, move the rectangle layer above the image layer and reposition it according to your design needs. Next, select the rectangle layer and then click on No Fill. And then go to Fill Line Stroke. In the Fill Line Stroke tab, go to Stroke Paint and set RGB to 0. Next, proceed to Stroke Style and set stroke width to 0.05 mm. Join to Mitre. Cap to Square. And order to Stroke, Fill and Markers. Next, select both the rectangle and image layers. And go to Object. Clip. Set Clip. Next, I added few more designs for printing. Next, go to File and then Print and select the setting as I show in the video. After adjusting the settings, click Print. For printing, I am using A4 size sheet. Once printed, trim any excess material. Next, place the cutouts inside a laminating sheet and laminate them. After laminating, trim any excess materials. Next, punch a hole to add the tassel. Next, add the tassel to finish your bookmark. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing and turning on notification. And also please don't forget to like and share the video.